So the basic way of defining firewall exceptions for the services you wish to make available is fairly easy. And adding a service to your zone, the easiest method is to add the service or ports you need to the zones you're using. And first we're gonna see what services are running that we can apply firewall rules on. And it's going to be a very long and messy list, but I just want to show you that it is available. There you go. These are all the services that I have running on this machine that we can apply firewall rules on. So suppose if I want to allow HTTP traffic for my public network, how do I do that? Type it firewall cmd -- zone equals public add service equals HTTP. Okay, in my case it's already running, but it at the same time, if you look at the bottom of it, it does say it was successful. So if it's not running on your machine, which chances are most probably it's not, if it's a new machine, then this red message is not going to show up. That's already installed. You can leave out the -- zone equal if you wish to modify the default zone. We can verify the operation by if it was successful or not by using the list all or list services operations. So the way you do it is firewall -cmd -- zone equals public -- list - services. And as you can see, we have just configured or allowed HTTP traffic, so this service is enabled. So once you have tested that everything is working as it should, you'll probably want to modify the permanent firewall rules so that your service will still be available after a reboot. You can make our public zone change permanent, and the way you do it is firewall cmd -- zone equals public - permanent - add - service equals HTTP. Was successful? And you can verify this was successful by adding the -- permanent flag to the list services operation. So the way we do that is firewall -cmd - zone equals public - permanent - list - services. And as you can see, our service is HTTP and it's there. So your public zone will now allow HTTP traffic on port 80. If your browser is configured to use SSL or TLS, you'll also want to add the HTTPS service, which is the secured HTTP. We can add that to the current session and the permanent rule set, and we can do that by typing this command firewall -cmd - zone equals public -add - service equal HTTPS. Added, and firewall -cmd - zone equals public - permanent - add - service equals HTTPS. So that way it will be there permanently.